Hello everyone, this is Azir and we are going to have stream 12. So today we are going to do random problems that are really hard by iterating from code forces and two of them from coder. So I'll be really glad of solving all of them because there are really lots of them. I mean 18 of them. So I will try my best for solving them all for today, but I'm not really sure. But why not to have some prime? So let's get started. So problems. There are. How would I know? Two of them is yeah. It's at coder and code forces. From code forces, we got 16 problems if I don't miss, and I'll go by from easier to the harder, like from starting there, going to there, also there. Okay, so let's try. I'm going to start with coder this problem. I solved this task. Mhm. Results. Nope. Oh. Okay, so what's going to do? You are given an integer sequence of length n. Okay, determine whether there is a place in A where the same element appears. Mm-hmm. 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 Oh yes, that's good, but I don't know what to put there. If, for example, when we check this, we put n minus 1. So it means that I'll put n minus 2. Like this. For example, let's run our code. Okay, it's compiling, so oh crap. Mm-hmm. It doesn't work well, so or maybe I could do like this. In and there's going to be, I'm not really knowing this. So it means I need to start from 2. So that's pretty strange, like I couldn't understand where it doesn't work. Like it's type of temple task. I don't know. Or I don't know what's wrong in my code. Like really. Okay. So it doesn't work. I really even I don't have an idea how to debug this code. Hmm. Okay, so for example, if I put this. Okay, so it goes right there and forgets that one. How am I going to treat this? I really don't know. Okay, for example, if bro, so no, it's going to be easy. It's no, yeah, this one. So now I don't know what's the problem because so I'll be needed some second. Okay, some do. So I don't know really how to do this. If I put there one and logically if I take one indexed input, I don't know what I really need to do for it. I got a new idea. So if I put read just yep. So after putting this, I'm going to do like this. If a1 minus 1 equals to a1 equals to the a1 plus 1. So that's going to be great. And I think this is really going to work. I don't have any extra idea. I don't really want to be stuck at this task. So if I start, okay. So if you analyze this code, I start more. Yeah, I start there. I check if is it working. No, like wait a minute. What the Okay, bro. Okay. Let's go. I forgot to put and. Um, it was funny. Okay, so let's delete this task from our list. So we have also this task as autocoder task. I don't really know what's there. Yeah, tarot assistant. Okay, so yeah, there are lots of to do. Because let's don't waste time. Let's really do a lot of. Oh, I I've seen this task. Nope. Yeah, I have done this task and I've done this on stream, man. That's fun. That's really fun. Okay, so I think I'm going to delete also this. Hmm. So I'm going to start from a task. Um, and that's greedy. Okay. You are given integers a1, a2, an, find the maximum value of. Okay. Multiply the minimum of L over all pairs, L and R of integers. So we are given quires. And we are given test case and a. Okay. So we're given n and array. We are not given L and R. Oh. Okay. I need to find that one, L and R. Like, this function from L and R, I need to have the maximum number and the. Do I need? Wait. The maximum value of L and R needs to be maximum, and the minimum value of from A L to A R needs to be maximum. So that's pretty interesting. For example, there, what do I take from 0 to 2? Like from 1 to 3, it's going to be 4 multiplied by 2. It's 8. If I take, oh yeah, if I take that one, 12. And that's the best one, yeah. Then there's 3 to 3, 1. For example, from there to here, from 1 to 4, I could do 2 pointers. From there to there, and I just collect them, but the main problem is that it's going to be on divided 2 multiplied to on. No, multiplied to the r minus l. That of this. So from this, there's going to be 1 multiplied 3, and it's 3. If I take from there, like I smash them there, it's going to be 6. And yeah, 6. If we get 69, 69, we just multiply them. Okay, I'm going to skip that one. And it says that it's greedy, but I see 2 pointers, so should we do language Python? Yeah. How many solvers are there? 70,000. Really? They all sold on Python? On Ruby? No way, bro. Okay, so okay, let's solve this. So we're given ln and cinin. After this, logically, the best thing I could do, I think so, is just to take array as input. Then the best thing I could do is just to make 2-pointer solution, because it's going to take, what's the, oh crap, 1 second. Yeah, that's pretty bad. For example, if I go 2 pointers until they're mid there, so it means I go n divided to 2 loops, and then from there I need to find the maximum and minimum, and it's next to going to be n divided to 2 multiply r minus l. So if we take this, that's not really so good. So the main thing I need is idea, because if we find the idea, we're going to solve this out so fast. What do we do brute force? Okay, let's implement this. That's only idea I have, because we have something great here. What could it be? For example, if we, find the maximum in array. It's 4. And logically, we need to find the minimum number that's closer to the maximum number for making the product bigger as possible. So it means like that one. Also there, or type of this. Oh, wait a minute. From there to there. Oh, it's the same. So, okay, I'm sure that we're going to find maximum. What if we find minimum? It's 6. No, it's 3. Logically, I just could put this pairs there, like main problem is the minimum number. That's all. Okay, so let's try. Wait a minute, I also think about like to multiply maximum to the maximum after the first maximum. Like the maximum is 4, and after 4 we have 3, and the same there. Okay, the same there, and oh crap. Okay. So we need this, and we need this, but we multiply this to this. That's the point. Um, what if I multiply this to there? Wait, what's 5? Holy crap! I multiplied this to this, and I'm sure this. Is it enough if you have only maximum? For example, this and then some random, and just putting pairs and find from the minimum. Like I find the maximum, and the best one is to go to the right. Same is there. I found the maximum, and there's I found the maximum, but what to do next? That's the problem. It's greedy, but I don't say greedy there. For example, okay, let's implement this, and I hope we're not going to have time complex error. Okay, so we need to find the maximum between. Oh, crap. What if we sorted 2, 3, 2, 3, 4? Just taking this. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 3. From here to there. But I could take this, but no, it's impossible. Okay, so it doesn't work. So if I go there, like a begin plus y and minus j. I know we're going to have problem because we need pointers, not indices. So let's try to copy this. Okay, we need to put minimum element, and then we're going to put their meaning. Also is going to be equal to maximum of answer and minimum multiply maximum, and then answer. First, I know we have completion error about this, as of I don't know how to treat this. I'm going to ask this from AI. Let's see. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, I know. Oh, we could put them, but the indices was... Really? Wait a minute. Let me analyze this. What the hell is going on? Oh, yeah. So, plus j... Wait a minute. If I have end... Okay, that's the point. Okay. But why do I plus it? because for example if I put pointer for a dot end and I want to go there, so I put, okay, okay man, so let me say this, and this is type of brute force but not as on at the square. I think so it's better. 8. Hmm. Wait. Oh, it works. 6. Okay. No. We are not cause for solving this task. So, I don't know when we start solving this task. Stream is going for 26 minutes. Uh, so, what about if we go? I'm really stopped because I don't have any idea so solving this task. Okay, for example, like the problem is that really so. Yeah, what's going on tutorial? Oh crap. Oh, it makes it with ON. Oh, so he walks. Okay, if um, it's going to be really interesting how to solve this for ON because I don't have any imaginal visualization for ON. It could be type of brute force. Oh, wait a minute. What if I do binary search? I find the maximum element and we have a lower bound and upper bound. They find the greater element, but I need to find the lesser element. Okay, wait a minute. Let me lower bound in C++. Yeah, greater or equal, but upper bound finds greater. Yeah, only greater. And okay, so I see this, and then also we need to sort it. No. Wait, if we add a new element a just a j plus 1, when will a new sub-array give a better result? Yep. For example, if I had maximum, for example, number 3 and aj plus 1 is 4, of course we will get better. The minimum of the new sub-array can get better. The minimum of smaller sub-array. So only when aj plus 1 is greater than previous maximum, then it will give a better result. Can we get the same or better result from a small sub-array? No, I could get better because no, it's the same. Here the maximum aj plus 1, so if the minimum is not ay, then the sub-array will give the same result. Otherwise the minimum of, yeah, it's not going to be small. What the How is it saying? Wait, why do I have prod? Oh, okay. It's painful because the solution is just one loop, and so then yeah, I see, because if we have the maximum, it's the best thing we could do, and it's enough to watch to its neighbors, because if we go more and more by choosing minimums, like there I choose this one, and if I go there, then the minimum is this. Holy crap. Okay, okay. Um, is it running in factorial? Why the hell it doesn't work? Okay. Yeah. That was pretty visible. I mean, if we go more and more, we're going to have the better minimum. And better, I mean, no, I mean worst minimum. Because we need minimum as much as possible better. Yeah, it was possible to see from this test. Because if I analyze all of them, don't do my mistakes. And it's really painful. But okay, so let's move on next task. Now, like, I have noticed that 800 rated tasks are really boring. Solving this task for me wasn't really interesting, What the hell is that? Pit masks. Holy crap. Given an integer n, find the maximum value of integer k, so is that. Holy crap. So 0 is false. Okay. So it's my first time solving bitmask task. I know it. I know and XOR or NOR and or XOR NOR not, and yeah, that's enough. I just know the Siri, but no. Okay, so let's get started. So if I want to make it false, mm, what do we have? No, 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 no. Yeah, there's going to be one, there is zero, there is zero, there is zero, there is zero. There is going to be zero, one, zero, zero. Yeah, pretty good. Zero, one, zero, 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 or one, zero. Oh no, we okay. One, 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 zero. Okay, zero, one, zero, one. XOR zero, one, one, zero. Okay, I hope I said it well. Zero, 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 one, one. Yeah. Okay, assemble language. What the? Okay, so let's analyze this. Okay, so this is test case, and this is yeah. For example, two. Okay, two. Then let me do it again. Two and one. Then one, and then and the hell I'm doing? Wait a minute. Is it nine? Like now? Bam. Um. Yeah, that's pretty good. Two and I'm done. Two and one, and logically, I already go for zero, and that's the point. Do I need something? Two and one and zero. That's really hard to do. Like we start from two, we go to one, we go to the zero because of this. After going to zero, it's automatically giving us and k needs to give false zero. So because of there, I already get zero. Then as we know zero and something like k will give zero automatically. So let me move this right there. And cause of I don't really need to care about k. So is it constructive? For k, I could give anything I want. Like 1, then 5. 5, then and yeah, 5 and 4 and 3 and 2. No, this is not and, bro. What the hell is going on? But I don't know how to draw and. If I go like this. Okay, 5 and 4 and 3 and 2 and 1 and 0. Let me move it. Oh, no, no, no. Let's also move it right there. And K, we get 0. Because of there, we already got the 0. Then 0 and K, we get 0. Then it means K, that could be equal to anything. K equal to the anything like K equal to the 1, but there's gonna be 3. I'm not really good at beat masks because I'm not sure. Wait. Okay, we have in the first the maximum value for which the maximum value for which the continuous and operation gives 0 values 1. What about if I give infinity, like now I don't know what maximum. Why? They're all true. Nope. Like true and true and true is going to give 1 certainly. I might ask this ChatGPT. For example, is it constructive? Bro, shut up. Because of. I don't have anything to say. 5 and 4. Okay, let me ask this. Google. 5 and 4 and 3 equals to how? Oh. If yeah, 0. Holy crap. I see. So mainly I need to find the first what does it mean? Like I get 0, 0, 1. I get 1, 0, 0. Okay, I know, it's simply. So I go brute force until I don't find the. Okay, yeah, let's implement this. We are given lln synonym, then while n is larger than 0, is greater than 0, ll compare n minus 1 if n and compare the type of this, I don't know really, gives us 0, see out compared, and then do n minus minus 1 3 15. What the hell is going on? Oh, wait a minute. Two one five, yeah. 2517. Oh, I see. Yeah, I print. Okay, for 2 I get 1. Then for 5 I get 3. For 17 I get 15. Holy crap, it's working. Okay. Um, okay. I need a time how it's possible. Uh, okay, so logically it could be because ON, like, I don't know really how to do this task. Just, I don't have any idea how to. It's 1 second for. Oh crap. Okay, so my chair is blank. Okay. 5 4 is not equal to 0, 5, and. Okay. 0 0 0. Now I don't know even what to do. I'm just done. Okay. How many people saw this task? Time limit and how to treat this. I mean, from 2 1. Do I need the maximum K? The main problem is that I do and, but I just do and. Like, there are two of them. For example, if it's equal to 1. I save this one. I save this. Yep. So I need to save this value and to put it for 3 and then to check. I don't really know how to do this task. It's beat masks. It's first in my life solving this type of task. Good one. So okay, let t be if there's at least one integer from k to n whose bit at the y's index is 0, then the value of y's bit t will also be 0. We can easily observe that the MSB has set bit in n will become 0. No, what the hell is MSB? No way. Oh, sorry, but I don't know this because of loud mass and the nightmare. Okay. Nope. I wasn't supposed for this. Thank you very much. So I leave this task. Simply the techniques that I haven't studied yet. But okay, that's not a problem. Big Merc. Now I think so. This one's are interesting tasks. You know, like yeah. Holy crap! So I don't know what to do right now because it's been 53 minutes for streaming. I'm really exhausted. So I think so. The best thing we could do right now is just I don't know. So interesting drink. There also a task. Divisible array. It's 800 rated. I'm sure it is. I think I have done this whenever. No, nope. It looks easy because it's constructive algorithm. Like constructive algorithms are really easy, at least. You're given a passenger and please find array A1 so it is perfect. Okay, the perfect says the following. A y is divisible by y for all. Okay, is divisible. What the? Wait, are you joking, man? Okay. So the n is the length. It's 1. Wait. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10, but it's not divisible. To the I think so to do like this. Until n minus 1's index, I gave 1, 2, 3, okay. And when I'm already at the nth index, for example, and I will try to find the closest number divisible to like 1, 2, 3, yep, it's 6, and we have 4. And for the 4, the most divisible could be 8. No. The best one is just to give 6. Oh, 10. But 10 is not divisible to 4. Oh yeah, Okay. What if I do even odd? There's going to be 1, there's 2, 4, there's going to be 1. No. We get in a big trouble. So 800 raised tasks are really hard. I don't have anything to say. Oh, I unexpected this. Okay, so no. I think so to go like this, but that one needs to be divisible to itself. That's the problem. Okay, for example, 1, 2, 3. For the first test case, 1, 2, 3. Then if I give 4, I get some 10, and it's not divisible to the n. Then, okay. For example, if I try, yeah, if I try not 4, 4 plus 4 is 8. Then if I plus it, 6 plus 8 is 14 because of it goes out. For example, 12, if I try, then it's going to be 6. Wait, it's divisible to 2. Like, I could divide anything to 1. If I go 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, for example, for even, yeah. Then for odd, for example, there was 5. They used this. I start like 1, 3. Okay. 9. Yeah. No, it needs to be divisible to 2. Okay, I see. To make evens are really easy. Oh, crap. Example 6. I like to do this type. 2, 4, 6, 8, then 10, and then 12. For example, it's all good. Divisible to 1, divisible to 2, divisible to 3, to 4, to 5. Yeah, and if I sum it, it's going to be 10 plus 10 is 20, 20 plus 10 is 30, and 30 plus 12 is 32. And wait. Holy crap, I missed 30 plus 12 is 42, and yeah, 42 is divisible to 6. Okay, now I know how to make even numbers. What about odd numbers? Odd numbers, odd numbers. I don't know really. For example, 1, I just put 1. Then for 3, put 1, 2, 3. What do I just go like this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Example for 3 we did like this, then it's 5, yeah? For 5, if I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's 3. Yeah, I just go y plus 1, y plus 2. For example, 7, if I do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, for example, 10 plus 5 is 15. Holy crap, 5, 6, and then 7. Okay, from 1 to 4 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 plus 6 is 21. Yeah. Okay, now I know how to implement this, and I'll be. Yeah, it's not really so hard. I'm really so mad to go at first. This task was solved by 25,000 people, and the previous 800 rated tasks was about 30,000 plus people. How does it work? I couldn't understand. It's really strange. I think it's going to work. Okay. One, two. Oh. Um. Okay. I see this. Wait a minute. 4. Well, so I just do, for example, 2, 3, and find equal to 4. I need 4 elements. So I will print until 2, 4, 6. How does it look like? 2, 2, 4. And what if I do plus 1 there? And what do I do plus 2? 2, 4, 2, 4, 6, 2, yeah. Okay, so I want my accepted. First, I learned that it's just I could do like this. And really, for example, that one. Yeah, just multiply two. Okay, it's easy. So, but why mine doesn't work? It's 4. Okay, I really need to treat its length. I mean, 2 are all crap. The main problem is the length. Okay. The jury's answer is really so convenient. I just really couldn't understand why 2, 8, 1, 6. Wait a minute. If I do like this, and then what can I do too? I think so it's better. Yeah, that's what I want. So okay, so is there any cost? Yeah, let's go. It's accepted. Okay, so stream is going for 1 hour and 7 minutes. Okay, I'm really tired, so it's our first task that we did for today. Wait. Holy crap. Yeah, now if I do like this. Yeah. So I'm pretty done. Like it was interesting task, and I don't know how the really I couldn't understand how ratings like I have never I'm not going to rely on for the ratings of the task in God first because it's really strange. Number of solars of this task is but totally what's the number of solars? Like it's only in contest. Okay, but it's really strange. Like if we take contests, like the previous two was 30,000 plus, but that one is just 25,000. That's really strange, and the previous ones are really hard. That's interesting. And now I'm about this task, so I'm not going to hurry up. I'm going to study beat masks. So we got lots of interesting tasks there, and then where came. Also, what is the previous two tasks? I don't remember anymore. Holy crap. That one, and what is this? No. Yeah. It was really painful that I couldn't do this task. It was really strange. So for today, if we take as day 1, solved 2 tasks. No. Attempted 3 tasks. Solved 2 out of 3. 1 solved 1 out of 3 by without help. That's all. Okay, so I don't know. What about? Oh crap! Oh, my chair is just blowing. Okay, we have the odd quarter tasks and quarter force tasks. Oh crap! You have even odd game. I'm sure it's 1,200 rated. And why? Say it's birthday. What about B tasks? There are only 2 B. Okay. How much rated is this task? Okay. About that task. Oh no, I missed. Wait. Okay. Um, Thank you for watching this video. So today I have streamed for 1 hour and bro. Yeah. Today I streamed for 1 hour and 15 minutes. Mainly 30 minutes. And I'm really exhausted, and it's not end about this problem set. Thank you for watching this video. See you later.